Welcome to my YouTube channel, Rick Surowicz Watercolor. This is a quick video tip coming to you live from my studio about simplifying edges. Hi, I'm Rick Surowicz. I'm live in my studio and I just finished my painting flower pot. And I want to take a few moments just to give a quick tip from my studio talking about edges, and then also a little bit about simplifying and less is more. There's a tendency, if you look at the reference photo, to want to paint every flower, every petal, every leaf the same. We want to paint the edges around every petal and every flower. And sometimes less is more, and that can be the most challenging thing to do sometimes, to simplify. So when you're painting a subject like this, think about really where you want to draw your viewer in, and that's where you're going to have your strongest edges, your strongest contrast, and areas where they're not going to be the star of the show, you're going to let some of those edges get lost, and you're going to just have some touches to show enough, and the viewer will know there's a flower there, and let the viewer figure some of that out. But let some of the edges get lost and then find them again. You don't just surround a bunch of the flowers with a bunch of hard edges. Think about that when you're doing your next painting, that sometimes less is more. For more information about my YouTube videos, my self-paced online courses, and my live online classes and workshops, click the link on the screen for my online learning center.